Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Today, we're diving into how to get a custom crosshair on your PS4 in 2025, completely free and without any sketchy mods or tricky software. Whether you're into Fortnite, Call of Duty, or Apex Legend, this guide will help you to enhance your aim and gameplay experience. First up, gaming monitors with built-in crosshair overlays. Many modern gaming monitors come equipped with built-in crosshair overlay features. By enabling this feature throughout your monitor settings, you can have a custom crosshair displayed on your screen. Regardless of the gaming you're playing, this method doesn't require any additional software or hardware. Next in the game settings, example like Fortnite. Some games like Fortnite have introduced features allowing players to customize their crosshairs directly within the game settings. This includes the option to change the shape, color, and size of the crosshair. These features are built in to the game and are free to use. Lastly, physical solutions. If your game monitor doesn't support crosshair overlays and your game lacks customization options, a logic solution involves placing a small, removable sticker or using a washable marker to draw a dot at the center of your screen. While not precise or aesthetically pleasing, it is a free and straightforward method that some players use. Important considerations. Game policies always ensure that the method you choose complies with the game's terms of service. Using an authorized third-party software can lead to account penalties. Accuracy. Physical methods might not be as accurate as digital overlays, especially in fast-paced games. Monitor features. Not all monitors have built-in crosshair overlays. Check your monitor's specification or use manual to see if there is a feature available. So there you have it, 3 effective methods to get a custom crosshair on your PS4 in 2025 without spending a dime. Whether you opt for a monitor with a built-in overlays, tweaking game settings, or go to the DIY road, enhancing your aim has never been more accessible. If you found this guide helpful, please free to share with fellow gamers. Got any other tips or tricks? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.